Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the exact product model and SKU. This avoids false comparisons. Open 3 reliable sources at once: retailer site, marketplace, and a dedicated price tracker, so you capture variations. Once done, record the listed price, shipping cost, estimated tax, and any return penalties. These change the real total. While you note coupon codes, also check seller reputation. This combination ensures your next steps compare apples to apples, not misleading sticker prices. Now calculate the total landed cost for each source. Add the base price, shipping, taxes, and any platform fees. This is the number that matters. Once calculated, apply coupon codes, cashback, and membership discounts to see real savings. Make sure to inspect historical price charts and set price drop alerts. Sellers cycle prices, and you can often wait 1 to 3 days for a better deal. If 2 totals are close, prioritize seller reliability and return policy. Those mitigate risk. You finish by selecting the seller offering the best total landed cost combined with a clear return policy and reasonable delivery time. Take screenshots of the listing and price. Before paying, try price match policies, contact live chat if eligible, or stack coupons and cashback to reduce cost. Once purchased, save order confirmation and monitor price drops for possible refunds. If things go wrong, like inconsistent checkout prices, clear browser cache, use an incognito window, and document discrepancies before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.